So guys, trade recap for Tuesday. So I wasn't going to trade today because we had Powell speaking right as market opened, and then these job openings at 10 US time. But I was watching on my phone and market open like it looked like any other market open. So I thought I'd take a trade. So the 4 hour. Just get rid of these drawings for a second. The 4 hour. This candle hadn't closed yet, so we were bearish as this candle has now broken 4 hour structure that closed at 10 a.m. US time. So we were bearish. We were looking for 1 minute longs and overall shorts. So obviously at 1 minute longs, and we want to target high time frame points of interest. So this liquidity point there, really. We didn't take a trade on ES today. Only took a trade on NQ because ES just gave us not really good entries. NQ gave us much finer, much better entries to take trades off of. So 4 hours bearish. We marked out hourly fib levels, I believe. Yes, from this high down to this low. And because we were bearish, we wanted to see pushes up through these points. We also had 3 hourly imbalances marked out before market opens, with this one here, and this one here. And we can see straight away from Powell speaking, we just ripped upwards and we pushed past all three of these and absolutely ripped up. So a liquidity sweep was kind of off the cards. We had that catalyst sort of as Powell speaking. That was our catalyst to move higher. So we saw his legs up. We blasted past equilibrium and into these retracement zones, and we got a leg down. Get rid of the fib retracement now. We can get rid of this first hourly imbalance if we have a look here. So just keep these in mind. We were acting within imbalances for now. But we completely ripped up and that we had lots of buying pressure, really, along with that one there. So we had huge legs up right as market opened. We can see we broke 1 minute structure straight away, and left behind a pretty big imbalance here. And we come down, we fill equilibrium as well from the low to the high. Let's make sure that's right. I was doing this on my phone on a boat. It's not very nice, but so you can see we filled this imbalance here and equilibrium and then got a reaction off of that. We wanted to get our entry off of this candle close here, so obviously there, when that closed at 2037.25. So I can't get it there. Oh my god. Either way, that was what I actually should have been. There, off that candle close, and our target was, I believe it was, yeah. Our target was these highs. There, but we didn't get filled till obviously that point there. You can see 2074.25. There we go. So it would have been a 2.06 RR trade, but because we're on our phone and we press these two buttons to entry or exit, it gets rid of the entire chart altogether, which really was quite annoying because I wanted to enter as soon as this candle closed. But by the time that candle had closed and I pressed the buttons and filled my position out, we didn't get filled until 2043.25. Oh, not up there. 2043.25. Oh my god, did it again. I hate a laptop. How anyone can trade on a laptop, I do not know. Oh my days. Let's take this thing off. There we go. So you can see entered 2043.25, exited at 2074.25. Bing Bang Bosh 1.29 RR trade. Should have really been a 2 RR trade, but it doesn't matter. It's still a win. Our stop, originally we had our stop all the way down here, and then I noticed we'd formed this fair value gap, so I just put my stops beneath there, because we also respected that imbalance too. And our target was just that liquidity, plain and simple. No really other. It might be this liquidity actually, I can't really remember. I don't know. But our target was just some rest in liquidity. It was probably just this one. We got filled a bit late. That was our trade for the day. And then I just hopped off the charts because I was done. I was on my phone on a boat, as I said. So that was really it. $620. We risked 480, I believe. We can work it out. 620 over 1.29. $480. So 0.5% because of the power speaking. But again, we were in and out before this news even came out, which is good. So that's our trade, really. And then, as we can see, market then did in fact flip bullish. But it never really broke 5-minute structure anyway. So we wouldn't have executed a second position following our strategy of those 5-minute shorts, because we never broke 5-minute structure. We just kept rallying higher. We got an imbalance here and filled it, and probably, yes, filled the equilibrium of the range. So if we were on the charts, we would have had an entry. Had an entry off of that. But overall, good trade. Tricky conditions on a boat trip on my phone with dying percent. So no complaints really. Good trading day. Not much I could have done better. I think that was a perfectly executed trade. If we just got that fill right on the candle close, obviously would have been a much better trade from 1.29 to 2 RR trade, much better. But what can you do? You can't do much. That is my trade for the day. Tomorrow I will be trading again. Hopefully we have got quite a bit of news going into market open in this pre-market. So we'll see what price gives us tomorrow. That is a trade recap for today. I hope that covered it. I tried to be quick. It was plain and simple, really. 1 minute imbalance, an equilibrium, and reaction off of it. No liquidity sweep first before going up, but we had a catalyst anyway, because normally liquidity acts as a catalyst to go higher or go lower. But our catalyst for the move, you can say, was Powell speaking, as price wanted to go up. So happy with today. I will catch you all in the next one.